What's up, my go-getters? How y'all doing today? That's good. I'm doing well. Feeling a lot better. Yes, I must say. Been ordering a few things that I'm gonna need for my channel, and it's starting to arrive. And also scratched that video I made about doing getting myself together, the diet and all that. I'm gonna start over. Yeah, because I ain't been successful at all since I said that. But I got some things coming up that I'm gonna share with you all, and I'll let y'all go along that journey with me once everything arrives. So I just wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know that stuff's starting to come, and